The potential energy that can be produced through geothermal energy depends on various factors such as the geological characteristics of the area, the technology used, and the efficiency of the geothermal power plants. Geothermal energy is generated by tapping into the heat stored within the Earth's crust, typically from areas with high volcanic or tectonic activity. Total installed global geothermal capacity was around 14 to 15 gigawatts, GW. However, the technically exploitable potential for geothermal energy is much higher. To estimate the potential energy production and its duration for global energy consumption, let's use some general figures. Global geothermal capacity, assuming the global installed geothermal capacity is 15 gigawatts. Capacity factor. The capacity factor represents the actual energy output compared to the maximum potential. For geothermal, this can be relatively high, around 70 to 90%. Global energy consumption. As of my last update, global energy consumption was around 25,000 terawatt-hours, TWh, per year. Calculations. Capacity factor equals 0.8, using an average of 80%. Annual energy production equals capacity factor hours in a year. Annual energy production equals 15 billion watts. 0.8 times 8,760 hours equals 105,120 billion watt-hours equals 105.12 TWh. Number of days of global consumption. Total global energy consumption. Annual energy production number of days equals 25 million TWh, 105.12 TWh 237.65 days. So, in this simplified calculation, assuming a global installed geothermal capacity of 15 gigawatts with an average capacity factor of 80%, the energy produced by geothermal sources could theoretically supply approximately 237.65 days of global energy consumption. Subscribe to Basics and like my video. Share this video with your friends and family.